Hi, I'm Bean, and right now I'm going to be filming a little makeup look vid based off of the TFELT's new song Pluhmm. Make sure you keep watching. If you want to see how I created this milky, dewy look, then make sure you keep watching. There's a giant fucking spider, babe. He's fucking creepy. I don't like him. You see him, right? He's on the other side. He's really fast. Always looking at me. I think he's the kind that jumps. He's fucking huge. Thank you. I really hope there's not a spider in this stuff. I look so white. Like, I promise you guys this matches my skin, doesn't it, babe?
Yeah.
I just look really white. I feel like you can't really tell how juicy I look in the witch's booth. Let's see how I see. Okay, so in order to achieve the right aesthetic for this video, we needed to go to Publix to get two things. Milk and plums, but we actually came back with some Macintosh apples. We really tried, we did. They didn't have apricots, nothing else cute, not plums. So we have little tiny Macintosh apples and some half gallons of milk, because apparently in order to get a milk bath, you put actual milk in it. So appreciate what I'm doing for you guys. Also, in like a few hours, I have to go make a presentation in front of my class. I'm gonna have milk in my hair, so. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this little tutorial and general aesthetic vid based off of, how the hell do you even say that? TFELT.
Felt.
There's a T though. TFELT. Anyway, you guys know what I mean. Yeah. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Like this video if you liked it. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. I also promise I'm not naked. I have a top on. Bye. I don't feel that.